Hello, very good morning to you. We've been talking about it for a few days now, but today is going to be a hot one for some of us, probably the hottest day of the year so far. That's because we've been dragging in our air from the south, which is a hot direction, and that's led to temperatures rising. But not for all of us is it going to be hot, because across parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, there's a bit more cloud here, not as cloudy as yesterday, and drier too, albeit a few spots of rain around, but yes, some bright or sunny spells quite likely. Some persistent rain pushing into the Outer Hebrides as we go through the afternoon, and here the winds are going to turn quite blustery, but across England and Wales, for many here, it is going to be largely sunny. Lots of blue skies, and with that then temperatures rising. Likely to get into the high 20s, low 30s, somewhere towards the east-southeast, and even elsewhere, many places getting into the low to high 20s, so especially in any sunshine, it is going to feel pretty hot. With that in mind then, with the sunny skies, we do need to be aware that UV levels will be high or very high for some of us, so if you are going to be out in the sun for prolonged periods of time, you may need to take some precautions. As we go through the end of today, we are going to see a bit more rain spilling in across western parts of Scotland and also across Northern Ireland, perhaps some outbreaks reaching far western parts of Wales and southwest England too. Staying dry and clearer towards eastern parts of the UK, but elsewhere there will be clouds spilling its way in. Again, temperatures not dropping a huge amount, another uncomfortable night for sleeping for some of us. Some places, particularly towns and cities, holding up in the mid to high teens Celsius, so it could be a bit sticky in some places. Through Saturday itself then, a brighter picture towards eastern areas. Lots of sunshine still here through the morning, turning a bit cloudier perhaps as we go into the afternoon. Further west, a wetter story. Some persistent rain, which could be quite heavy at times across parts of Northern Ireland, western parts of Wales, southwest England, even western Scotland could have some heavier pulses of rain making their way through. All the time driest towards the east and still some sunshine into the afternoon, and it's here that we're going to have the highest temperatures on Saturday. Not quite as high as today, but nonetheless high 20s, possibly low 30s across some parts of eastern England, East Anglia, maybe the southeast. Elsewhere further west, again, not as hot as today, but still not feeling too bad away from the wettest weather that's pushing its way in from the west. Now, as we go through Saturday evening and overnight, watch out for the potential for some heavy thunderstorms to affect the southeast, and then that system across western parts is gradually going to make its way east and northeastwards as we go into Sunday. So then that clears away, with then plenty of showers following across Scotland on Sunday, a drier story elsewhere, but markedly cooler. That being said, with the hot weather that some of us are going to be having, it is worth to make sure that you are weather ready, so find some advice on how to do that on our website. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.